you're doing it. Start playing it feels like we don't have a thing. Like, literal situation version. So just like,
it just kind of wrote itself.
yeah.
ما حدش واخد من الدنيا حاجة. انت خدت حاجة من الدنيا حسيب؟ لا. طب خد. قلبك ده.
Good morning, everyone.
Yes, we'll just.
When I was announced as Telemachus, and like our tracks, our backing tracks were already locked. They were like locked, done. When I was announced as Telemachus,
Wee.
done.
Wee.
Like the songs were done being. It wasn't even done at his home studio that he usually runs. Like, he came out to New Jersey because we were doing a college show in New Jersey. He came out and rented a for like 1 day, just done that literally every single line that I wanted to say.
Does it still feel then like it's your, like you're part of creative process? How different does that feel?
I don't know, like, I still feel like integral to the process. It's this isn't my baby. I'm not like, this is Jay's child.
Yeah, and also the difference between like writing.
Yeah.
NANI?
Came out, that was like I recorded everything, but I didn't find the recording until then. Like, I was enjoying it just as much.
What if you would?
I was enjoying the songs that I wasn't on.
They?
Actually, like, honestly, more than the ones that I was on. 'Cause I was like, oh, God Games.
How long was it? 3 hours, and he's It is really hot.
Oh, this is
But I turned it on. It's not
Oh
on.
my god, what is that?
Okay, when I play Minecraft, do you think
Oh my
there's some
God.
benefits? Or UHC stay specifically with offline? Too well played. I don't know how
honestly, like, I'm gonna pull out a song. I'm gonna pull out,
Oh, okay,
yeah.
okay. I'll
'Cause
add
I don't
it to
think
my.
any of
I'll
my
add it to my
songs
library.
really. I don't think any of my songs really fit, but Little Wolf from Epic is crazy. It's like actually inspired by like Final Fantasy, by like by Emblem soundtracks. Like it's a very like you are in the middle of a turn-based combat and trying to make it.
I never really did it. It's like.
It doesn't really under the project in terms of like what the material is, and also like I wanted to start a new profile just in case like.
Yeah. Okay.